going to be talking about solving equations involving absolute value. And for a warm-up, we're just going to review what absolute values are. Hopefully you know what these are, so go ahead, pause the video, do them quick. And if you are confused, I'm going to go through them. The absolute value of a number is always positive because absolute value is just distance from 0. So the absolute value of 5 is just 5 because 5 is 5 away from 0. The absolute value of negative 12 is positive 12 because negative 12 is 12 units away from 0. Notice, a positive stays positive when you take the absolute value. A negative becomes positive when you take the absolute value. So the absolute value of 27 is just 27. The absolute value of negative 4 is just positive 4. So we're going to evaluate expressions when we have an absolute value inside of them. So I've got the absolute value of m plus 6 minus 14, and I want to evaluate that if m equals 4. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to plug in 4 for m. And notice, I'm just going to simply follow order of operations. Whenever you have absolute value bars, treat those like parentheses. Okay, so when we do PEMDAS, we should do what's inside the absolute value bars first. And notice, I'm going to add these together before I take the absolute value. So I get 4 plus 6, which is 10, minus 14. Now I'm going to take the absolute value of 10, which is just 10, and 10 minus 14 gives me negative 4. All I did was I plugged in a number in here, evaluated this expression, and got an answer. And remember, we just treat absolute value bars as if they are parentheses. We do everything inside of them, and then we take the absolute value. You can't take the absolute value until you've done everything inside the absolute value bars.